I want to work with Ranveer, everyone. I want to work with everyone. I'll be super excited. I'll be very happy.
I believe that this is an ideal situation. ये होना चाहिए.
To be very honest, this is very personal, and I wouldn't want to disclose anything right now.
Koimoi.com.
Let's get to some fun games. The game is what would you do if?
Okay.
Just पहले आपके लिए, what would you do if you get up as Badshah the next day?
You get up? I didn't listen. What?
If you get up and you're Badshah, तो आप क्या करोगे उस दिन?
As Badshah, right? So I'll make 3 to 4 tracks in a day, but that's it. Nothing. I want to explore a rapping genre of mine as well.
Oh, so we'll keep fingers crossed कि raps जल्दी आ सकते हैं आपके.
नहीं, raps कभी नहीं आएंगे, मतलब just explore कर लूँगा ना अगर बादशाह बन के उठा हो तो. I'll explore that side of mine as well.
निकी, अगर आप जैस्मिन के जगह उठोगे एक दिन तो आप क्या करोगे?
मैं क्या करूँगी? क्या करूँ? मैं सोच रही हूँ, सोचना पड़ रहा है.
फिर से सो जाऊंगी.
मुझे किसी नहीं बनना, किसी मतलब कोई और नहीं बनना. मैं खुश हूँ निकी में ही, तो मेरे दिमाग में ख्याल भी नहीं आ रहा कि मैं क्या करती.
जस्ट अगर आपको कोई इंटरनेशनल ब्रांड या फिर के-पॉप ब्रांड जैसे BTS के साथ कोलैब करने का मौका मिले तो आप क्या करोगे?
I would love to, yeah. So it's like I'm all open to work. I'm all open to explore myself as a, कि मैं कहाँ पे कैसे act कर सकता हूँ, and I would love to see that parts of mine as well.
Anybody you'll be collaborating with anytime soon? Any other singer or foreign into the film industry?
We'll announce very soon. There are some discussions, but under
wraps.
Zipped up, yeah.
निकी, अगर आपको अपॉर्चुनिटी मिले रणबीर कपूर के साथ काम करने के लिए तो आप क्या करोगे?
क्या करूंगी? हाँ बोलूंगी, ऑब्वियसली आई विल. क्या करूंगी? क्या होता है? बस
मतलब कितनी खुशी होगी कि आप नाचोगे कि?
To be very honest, I'll tell you one thing. I want to work with Ranveer, everyone. I want to work with everyone. I'll be super excited. I'll be very happy. And I'll be very excited. Obviously I'll dance. I'll call my friends. I'll call my mom. I'll call my dad. I'll throw a party. I'll do what not.
Who's your favorite actor?
Who's my favorite actor in Bollywood?
Industry. And if you would love to,
I would love to work. मतलब सबके साथ ही काम करना obviously. ये but
लेकिन top of the list कौन है?
Top of the list है सलमान सर.
ओके, आप लकी हो, आपने ऑलरेडी उसके साथ स्टेटस शेयर किया है अभी तक. आप दोनों के लिए एक क्वेश्चन है कि जो सॉन्ग का सिचुएशन है, if such a thing happens to you all in real life, how would you all react? Like for Just, I would like to know कि will he still have pent up feelings for his past love, or will he try to move on?
I would definitely, and I'm very strong believer of whatever I have shown in the track, and I believe that this is an ideal situation. ये होना चाहिए, but I don't think so कि people stay in this zone for much longer time. But this is what I want and what I can relate up to.
निक्की, आपसे ये है कि would you advise your loved one who loves you so much कि in case if God forbid anything happens to you, should they move on in life, or would you be happy if they stayed with your memory for a much longer time?
They should move on.
Move on. Okay.
This is what she's saying in the track. कि मुझे मत ढूंढना हर बंदी के बीच में, नहीं तो अकेला रह जाएगा. Yeah, that's the thing. Yeah.
Okay, my next question for Just is, how would you propose to the love of your life? आप सोच रहे हो?
Yeah, I would arrange a very different setup altogether. I would take her out to some very beautiful place, and I would just pose her with a ring and a wine. That's it. Not too different, but this is something which I would do.
Yeah.
How would you describe your perfect date?
How would I describe my perfect date?
And how would you react if your boyfriend or fiance surprised you with it?
Sorry?
if your boyfriend or fiance surprised you with a proposal of your dreams, how would it be? And how would you react to it?
To be very honest, this is very personal and I wouldn't want to disclose anything right now.
No problem, no pressure. It could be a surprise जब भी हम लोग पढ़े उसके बारे में. Anyway, beautiful talking to both of y'all.
Yeah, same.
On the success of your song.
Thank you.
so much.
koimoi.com